One of the things that Board allows us to do is to pivot strategies. We can change our forecasts on the fly and get a roll up within minutes or hours instead of days or weeks.
Last week, for example, the ELT asked us for the impact of some union wage increases that we had in the budget. In the past, I would have had to reach out to the local team, which is going to take at least a day. With Board and with using our workforce module, we were able to do it within about 10 minutes.
We had a new use case with Board where we wanted to look at menu detail information at the Cheesecake Factory. We have a lot of menu items, so it was a lot of detailed information. In our prior tool, it couldn't handle that detail level of information. It worked out really well, and now we have a capsule where you can go in and see a chart with year-over-year statistics on how it's selling and pretty quickly drill into lots of different combinations of item level data.
For anyone who's ever worked with SAP or Cognos or one of those other companies, that you really need a consultant to be in there to make any changes to any reports. Versus in Board, the average user who's not an expert can change those reports and get to the data that they really need.
Executive team was amazed and really made them happy that we went with Board.